At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. I want to take a look at my screen, my wisdom warriors. Take a look at this beautiful resort. This resort is called the Four Brothers Paradise Island Restaurant and Bar. And guess what? It is located in Greenwood, St. James. It is 15 minutes from the airport, in Montego Bay. Yes, me dear. So guess what now? If you guys want to experience the best resort in Jamaica, you can give Four Brothers Paradise a call on 416-996-5804. And don't forget, my people, that it is on the beachfront and it is gated. Yes, my dear, it is gated with lots of parking and type of events. Not to worry, because guess what? They cater for the elderly too. So if you're an elderly person, you can book a relaxation senior holiday and experience of unforgettable moments right at Four Brothers Paradise. Well, how can I forget the children? Four Brothers Paradise is a beach holiday where kids and grown-ups alike can do as much or as little as they want. Four Brothers Paradise is all-inclusive resorts, offer plenty of inclusions and ways to enjoy time together. So to all my viewers and subscribers, if you want to have a relaxation time at Four Brothers Paradise, all you have to do is contact this number, which is 416-996-5804. You can find them on Google. You can find them on Facebook. My wisdom warriors, do you know what the best thing about this? Four Brothers Paradise, they are a part of the Wisdom Warriors team. Yes, man. They are a part of the Wisdom Warriors team. So, my people, all of my traveler them in the diaspora, all of my travelers them, when una go Jamaica, me want to reach out to Four Brothers Paradise Resort. Me want to give them a call because see for them place stay good. For them place really stay good. So if a relaxation say, if a vacation say, Four Brothers Paradise is the place to be. A section of Morris, Bastard, Cedar Walk, Pullet Lane, Bullet Tree Lane, Shrewsbury and Lagwood in Withorn, Westmoreland are under a curfew. Sections of Withorn, Westmoreland under curfew, my wisdom warriors. The security measure begin at 6 p.m. on Friday, November 22nd and will remain in effect until 6 p.m. Saturday, November 24. I wonder what caused all of this here. Oh, after a sudden, Andrew only says no, Zozo. I understand. Sections of Morris, Bastard, Cedar Walk, Pullet Lane. So I go check out them area. I go check out them area if a PNP area or JLP area. You see the way all the JLP them a move, we cannot trust them. So I go check out all these areas. My people, you can check it out as well and put it in the comment section. Section of Morris, Bastard, Cedar Walk, Pullet Lane, Bullet Tree Lane, Shrewsbury and Lagwood in Withorn are all under curfew. I don't know why, but them just say security measure begin at 6 p.m. During the curfew, all persons are required to remain within their premises unless otherwise authorized. You see them something here now? Jaja. From 6 p.m. on Friday, November 22nd, and will remain in effect until 6 p.m. Saturday, November the 24th. Why is this though? Why is this? A man was gunned down in Quarry Hill, St. Catherine last night. He is 24-year-old construction worker Zidan Dona who live in the community. One of 3 men charged over an attack on a man in Caymanis Bay, St. Catherine, was freed in the parish court on Friday. Sylvian Ferguson, 24, was freed after it was indicated that he did not have a case to answer. However, the parish court judge ruled that accused Kennard Ferguson, 25, and 30-year-old Marvin Miller did have a case to answer, and they were further remanded until December the 16th. So when I hear this now, one of 3 men charged over assault on man freed. So one of them alone free, but the other 2 is on remand. Marissa Dalrymple Philibert says she will focus on serving the people of Trelawney Southern while awaiting the outcome of her statutory declaration court case. I have placed myself in the hands of the courts, declared Dalrymple Philibert, as she thanked constituents for re-electing her as Member of Parliament in Friday's by-election. My wisdom warriors, you all know say she received 4,146 votes, yeah? 2 independent. The independent them win 1,434 votes. Listen. If PNP did contest in this, PNP would give them a clean sweep. PNP would give them a clean sweep. But as I said to you guys, I test the water. So no matter the way how them I try to test the waters, from PNP no contest, they wanna fail. It is a failure. It is a failure. But my wisdom warriors, if the PNP did contest, me at half of the press I tell you now, clean sweep. We wouldn't kick with them foot. Right, true. Yeah, we would. We would definitely kick with them foot. So I don't know what she come out and chat off her mouth say. She must think say she and Andrew Holness are Donald Trump. My wisdom warriors, they think that them are Donald Trump or Donald Trump, them are follow. When me say follow Donald Trump, you know, me not talk about Donald Trump policies and procedures because remember say Biden policies and procedures them have. A Biden agenda them a bring, not Donald Trump. You understand me? So when me say them are going like them a Donald Trump now, true because Donald Trump in a film pass about courthouse and you don't know how it go. People have voted for him and all these things. He has been elected. And him them a follow. Lady, you have 8 criminal charges against you. 8 criminal. Yeah? A prison you go. Prison you go. Prison you go. You write to the IC report and you tell the IC report, say, you know Benz. And that you do, you know. My wisdom warriors, remember, so I'm showing you the proof over here, you know, whole heap of time, you know. I'm explain it to you. She write to IC report and tell them, say, she know Benz. They even write back to her and ask her if she's sure. She say yes. But the day now when she bring you go to court now and she reach in a courthouse and stand up, she tell the judge, say she just remember. She tell the judge, say she just remember, say yes, she did have a Benz. Really? Really and truly. My wisdom warriors, she lied to the IC. She have 8 criminal charges. 8 criminal charges. This a woman here, she shouldn't be ashamed of herself. She not have no shame in her game. She not have no shame. What type of integrity she's talking about? Can me hear her talk off her mouth, you know? But what type of una talk? But you know what that mean? Una use word. You know what the words mean? Hello, other day me show one interview with the people them from your constituency. Say over 50 odd years the woman said she lived there and road never fixed yet. So Dalrymple, all those time, yeah, MP, what have you been doing? You never dare fix the road them. You never dare fix the road them. And that the lady say, me show it in one of the video them yesterday, I believe, my wisdom warriors, when the reporter went to the lady and asked the lady, what do you want the government to do for you in South Trelawney? The woman say she wouldn't like to see the road fixed because she did it over 50 years and no road no fix. So and you come out and attack Dalrymple. You shouldn't be ashamed of yourself. You shouldn't be ashamed of yourself. Uno no have nothing about Uno. Nothing about Uno no credible. Nothing. Uno no class. Uno classless. Seriously. My wisdom warriors, hear this.
Ms. Dalrymple, the question about the Integrity Commission, the recommendation that you be charged, how do you plan to treat that now that you're re-elected to the House?
I'm treating it as I did before, as someone who is an attorney and someone who has strong views about my own integrity. I have taken the move very seriously, and that is why I resigned in the first place. I had there was no need for me to resign. There's nothing that said I had to resign. But I felt in myself that I ought to have done so. I have placed myself in the hands of the courts, and I have the greatest respect for our court system in this island, and we have completed our submissions before the court, and I await the court's decision. And I'm very comfortable with myself. I re-entered the political arena, having placed myself there for over a year and 2 months. I'm a committed Labourite. The people in South Carolina and myself have bonded. We have a relationship that surpasses representational politics. We're a family, a true family. We get along today, we have differences, but we always circle each other when it becomes necessary. And I felt it was the time and it was necessary for me to move back into the seat, to assist the people who have been good and loyal to me and serve my party as a committed labourer. And I'm always going to do that, regardless of what happens.
So my wisdom warriors, wanna hear what Dalrymple say? She have her own integrity. Yeah? Alright, she resigned because she know what she did was wrong. She know what she did was wrong, my wisdom warriors, and she knows that resigning is the best thing to do. Yes, she did the right thing. But listen to me, lady. Don't follow Andrew Wellness in your old years and I mash up yourself because the whole of go to prison. Don't follow Andrew Wellness. Uno MP, uno Jamaica Labour Party MP, stop follow Andrew Wellness because nothing uno in the Jamaica Labour Party all. And a prison una go end up. A prison una go end up. You have 8 criminal charges laid against you. You go and you tell the IC this and that. Remember say you sign to everything, you sign to it. When time IC write to you and you write back and then question you and everything, you sign to everything. So comes after suddenly you talk about, listen lady, please, you should stay away from politics. You should stay away from politics. But guess what? Uno make Andrew Wellness come out and a trick uno. Listen, one of the things that Andrew Wellness wanna go down. Hey, Andrew go show the whole of uno underneath the bus. My wisdom warriors, when this lady Dalrymple resigned, that was the right thing to do. But now what she's doing, she only put herself in a more trouble. What she's doing because she lied on her declaration and she should be prosecuted. She lied, my wisdom warriors, and a joke thing. As she going in a courthouse go tell them say, oh, she remember everything. But when I see did a question her for over the years, she never remember nothing. Blouse and skirt. Nothing can go so. My wisdom warriors, don't tell me what to think here, man, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, I have a breaking news. When I see this, my wisdom warriors, I was so shocked. I was so surprised. Yeah, I was so surprised. A fire of unknown origin razed several houses in Majestic Gardens early Saturday morning, reportedly leaving up to 30 residents, including women and children, homeless. So the lady stated that I was sleeping after 12 and hear fire, and me come out, saw the building in front of me blazing. By the time I could go to my house and come back, the fire was out of control. Nothing could be saved, said Michelle Lyons, describing how quickly the board and ply structures were destroyed. My wisdom warriors, I want to say what going from what I go on right now. 30 residents, including women and children, are homeless. 30 residents is homeless right now in the Saturday. Boy, and this is a PNP area, let me tell you now. It's a PNP area. A PNP people them. Take in this.
See me see after 12. I hear fire. When me hear fire and jump up when I come out. See the building in front of me a blaze. By the time I go in my head and come back, I tell you say the fire out of control, could save nothing. Burn to the ground, not even suit of clothes. And when I'm cousin give me the clothes of bed and put on. Nothing at all.
Not all.
Baby uniform, everything burn up. Nothing at all we not save. But I see what we MP are going to do for we now, because when every time them thing happen, or the thing them come and do, write down them, take information, then we not see them after to do in time, voting time come, and that can't work. That can't work. We never step up and give we put a helping hand to we. A time for them help we and bring up place and fix up them place now.
My viewers and subscribers, like and share out this video. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. More than like for your phone views on this. Also, I want you to run over to my other channel. It is called the PNP News Round. Subscribe and get me to 5K. Follow me on X and follow me on TikTok. The link them I got there in the comment section. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, all you have to do is text yes to 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.